Okay, so step one, get this fire lit. Whilst that's burning down, so I've got some nice coals to cook on, I think it's time for step two. Cheers. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh, it just smells like, well, coconut and chilli, strangely enough. Really good. You know, when I started Bushcraft, I didn't think about where I would go to actually do Bushcraft. You know, you watch the videos of everyone out there doing the Bushcraft, and you don't really think about it, but here in the UK there's actually some really strict land laws, which means that you can't just turn up on any old piece of woodland and have a fire and camp out. And I've just been lucky enough to find a new location where I've got permission to stay overnight, have fires, which is amazing. There are a few restrictions, so in the summer they'd like me to use something to protect the ground when I have a fire, which is absolutely fair enough. But it got me thinking, it might be worth me doing a video on how to find somewhere to do bushcraft, because from looking on sort of the forums and Reddit and comments and things, it's certainly something that I think everyone struggles with, certainly in the UK, obviously. In you know, in the States and in Canada and even in Scotland it's a bit different. So I might do a future video just on where you can do bushcraft, where it's legal to, and really just what your options are, and also how to find some land, because I've spent a long time sort of writing to landowners and just trying to get permission, and it's been an uphill battle. So I think that's going to be a future video. It'll be a quick one, probably a bit of a boring one, but I would have found that useful. When I was first starting, I think I would have found it quite useful to have just a little bit of advice on how to find somewhere. So I think that's going to be an upcoming video. In the meantime, just wait for this to finish and to serve it up and have some good nosh. Okay, there we go. It smells amazing. Tastes really good. Quite hot, quite spicy, but nice. Myself another beer, Hazy Jane. Yeah, I like my hazy beers, they're decent. So yeah, that's it for tonight I think, guys. I'm just going to nosh down on this. I won't make you watch me. I hope you all enjoyed that. Just a quick, simple video, just some cooking in the outdoors, which you can't beat in my opinion. So yeah, like I said in the last video, some good ideas for the future. So happy that I've got a new site to go to, somewhere which is reliable, got permission to be there. Really, really pleased about that. I've got some good ideas, should be some fun videos coming up. I might also do a few stealth camping videos, sort of camping in some very, very different locations. So yeah, lots of stuff to look forward to. In the meantime, take it easy guys, stay safe and enjoy yourselves out there. Cheers.